Hey kids! Today we are going to learn the geometric shapes and numbers using Play-doh. So here we have these 8 colors, these 6 geometric shapes, and these numbers from 0 to 9. The colors we have are yellow, red, blue, white, purple, orange, pink, and green. And the shapes we have are circle, square, triangle, heart, star, and cloud. And the numbers are from 0 to 9. So let's start. Here I'm taking this purple Play-doh, squeezing it a little bit and rolling it using a roller pen to make it a clean surface. Rolling it a bit more and making it clean. Now I am taking a circle, a red circle. We are going to make the circle using this cutter. And here we go. Wow! Just look at it. A beautiful purple circle. Now this orange Play-doh. Squeezing it a bit and again I'm making it a plain surface using a ruler. Now I am going to make a square using this orange Play-doh. Pressing it a little bit to get a fine, perfect square. Now look at it. Wow! A beautiful orange square. Next, I am taking a pink Play-doh. This is pink color. I am rolling it and then I am going to make a shape of a triangle. Pressing it a bit so that we can get a perfect triangle. Taking out the extra Play-doh, and wow! This is a beautiful pink triangle. A triangle. This is triangle. Now this green Play-doh. Pressing it, you can use a ruler or your hands to make it a plain surface. And then taking out a ruler to roll it. Now I am making a heart. A beautiful heart. Here we go. Now take it out. A perfect heart. This heart is green in color. Look at it, how cute it is looking. This is a beautiful green heart. Putting it here. Now this yellow Play-doh. This is yellow Play-doh. Rolling it again to make it a plain surface. And the shape I'm going to make is of star. Yes, a cute little star. Pressing it finally to get a perfect star. And here we go. This is a yellow star. See how cute it is. Star. Star has 5 pointed arms. This is star. A cute little star. Now I am using a white Play-doh. Pressing it to make it a plain surface. Pressing it gently. Now I am making a cloud shape. Look at here, a beautiful, cute little cloud. And here we go. Wow, so cute it is. A white cloud. Cloud and stars are on the sky. Now we are going to make these numbers using Play-doh. First, I am making 0 using orange Play-doh. This is orange Play-doh and the number is 0. Uh-oh, it got stuck here. Taking it out gently so that we can have a beautiful, cute little 0. Wow! Now 1. After 0 comes 1. I am making 1 using this purple Play-doh and now here we go. This is cute little 1. Purple 1. Next is 2. I am making 2 using this pink Play-doh. Taking out the extra dough so that we can have a fine 2. And here we go. A cute little pink 2. Next is 3. 3 comes after 2. I am making 3 using green Play-doh and here it is. Wow! Look at her! A green 3. So cute it is. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next is 4. This is 4 and the dough is of red color. And here it is. 4. A cute little red 4. Next is 5. I am making 5 using yellow Play-doh and taking it out gently and so carefully so that we can have a fine 5. So this is 5. Next we have 6. I am making 6 using orange Play-doh. And here we go. Orange 6. Next is 7. I have lost the sticker or the cutter of 7. Now I am making 7 using the cutter of 1. So I'll tell you how to make 7 from 1. You just have to put its arm in horizontally so that we can have a 7. And here we go. A pink 7. Next is 8. I am making 8 using purple Play-doh. And here we go. 8. This is 8. A purple 8. Next is 9. The dough is of green color, so I am making number 9 using green Play-doh. And here we go. Look at here, how cute. After 9 comes 10. 1 0 is 10. I am making it together. So 1 and 0 makes 10. So I am making 10 using white Play-doh. And taking it out, the extra one, and here we go. 1 0 10. Taking it out gently. 1 0 is 10. A cute little 10. So kids, today, by using these colored Play-Dohs, we made these shapes and numbers with the help of these geometric cutters and numbers. So, do you like this video? If you like this video, then please give it a like and do subscribe my YouTube channel to watch many other videos. Thank you.